Hi guys, Snow King here, and today I'm be showing you guys a tutorial video, and it is how to get to record much easier on any type of PC. Well, not any type. It's available on Chromebook, Mac, and Windows, and it is a very good use for me. As I'm using it right now to record this video. So what you're going to do first is go over to your search type, and then right here, it doesn't matter what you use. You can use Internet Explorer, Google, whatever you want, and you are going to want to go over here and search up Screencast-O-Matic right here, and go at the first one right here and go to start recording for free, then launch free recorder. It'll say that it's already open for me, but for you it will give you a easy step-by-step tutorial so you guys can get on with your recording no matter what, and you don't have to have any type of problems. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, go ahead and drop a like, comment whether it was helpful or not, and subscribe if you feel like subscribing. Honestly, I just don't care. Go ahead, subscribe if you want, like the video if it was helpful, and comment down in the description, or not description, comment section if it was helpful for you guys, and if it was, I'll continue to make some tutorials for ways to record or any other way. I also will be making Roblox videos. It's my favorite type of videos. I always watch them. So if you guys like this video, you guys already know what to do, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Peace.